guys, it's Twistin Bangs, and today I'm going to be using the Mehron makeup and Gypsy Shrine makeup collaboration that they did. They came out with an amazing palette that has a bunch of colors that are super easy to work with, and they're very versatile for pretty much any look you're going to need. And also Gypsy Shrine, they came out with some jewels too that specifically go with the palette. This is going to be an amazing palette. It's going to give you so many different choices. All right, so let's get started. This is the Mehron palette. It has seriously the best colors that I've seen in one of Mehron's palettes because it actually has black and white. That teal is amazing, and I love the pink. I'm going to be using the pink and the white today. All right, so I'm going to be using two of their Gypsy Shrine Jewels, Desert Jewels appliques on my shoulders. And they just attach with just their adhesive. It takes a little bit on the curve of my shoulder to get them to lay down. The Gypsy Shrine Jewels have amazing stickiness to them. So basically they will stay on you for hours, which is great when you're at a festival, but I'm only gonna be wearing for a couple hours. So they kind of are rough to get off after just 2 hours. This is gonna be Mehron Makeup's silver metallic powder mixed with their mixing liquid. This stuff is amazing. If you want it to stay on all day, it will. I'm gonna go around my neckline and just add some of the silver metallic powder that I mixed with the mixing liquid. Just I wanna outline all of the body pieces just to make it give more of a glow. I'm going to be using the Gypsy Shrine palette pink, and I'm going to outline a couple of the other ones in the pink, and then I'll just go over it with the silver. Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ is one of the best body paints out there. It has a very creamy consistency. I hate saying that word, but I'm going to go ahead and use it here because that's the only word I can think of to describe it. It is water soluble, so all I'm going to be doing is mixing the Mehron Makeup body paint in with water. And it goes on nice and it covers very well. Same with the silver. I'm just gonna be drawing lines down from my shoulders because again, I just kind of want it to look like the jewels are kind of melting onto me a little bit. All right, I'm gonna be using Gypsy Shrine Glitter and Iridescent Diamond and their amazing glitter glue. Their glitter glue literally stays on forever. It is the best one I've used. I use a brush to put a generous layer on there, and then that same brush, while it's still sticky, I kind of dip that into the glitter and use that to apply it. That way I'm not wasting a bunch of glitter by dumping it all over myself. Basically, I'm just going to go and surround the areas with glitter just wherever I see fit. That's one of the good things about doing a design like this is there's really no rhyme or reason. This is their silver chunky glitter. It is one of the sparkliest silver glitters I've ever used. I absolutely love this one. I'm using a little bit of the white, and I'm going to add just like little starburst dots around the edges. Again, it just kind of adds a little bit more to like a glittery effect and makes it just kind of pop a little bit more. I don't like to leave empty gaps in the design, so I'm just going to go ahead and add dots wherever I see fit. So it's just kind of a random, like, you know, just wherever. My makeup room has been so much cleaner since I started using their glitter glue because it actually holds the glitter on so much better than my old glitter glue did. All right, this is Mehron Makeup's liquid latex. I'm going to be using it to attach some of the stars around me. And again, these are going to be randomly placed because it just kind of more acts like filler. The silver stars I just got from a craft store. So the liquid latex holds it on really well, and it peels off of your skin very easily. All right, so I'm going to be using Mehron Makeup's Pressed Intense Pigments in Tornado. I love this one for contouring, and I actually kind of use it from day to day since my hair is pink. I don't like to use a brown contour, and I do use it on my eyebrows every day. I always go around my jawline to contour because I feel like it kind of gives like a good like distinction between my neckline and my actual neck. Right now I'm taking the setting powder out from underneath my eyes. So then I'm going to go through and contour some more once I take the setting powder off. Right now I'm just using a pink eyeshadow that I found to kind of go around and add just a little bit more right above the purple. I'm using an eyeshadow primer right now, and that gives the eyeshadow something to cling on to. I'm going to go ahead and just keep setting my face. I get very oily, so I always use a setting powder as I'm painting to make sure I don't look super oily for the end look. I'm just adding shadow to my eyes. This is just a champagne colored shimmer that I found. So I'm going to be using Mehron Makeup's 1927 liquid vinyl eyeliner on my eyes right now, just to give like a really nice wing. Even though I do go through and kind of blend all that in, it's still kind of nice to have that nice line coming out from the side of my eye. Makes my eyes look bigger. All right, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put on my fake eyelashes. These are a pain, as we all know. This is where I ripped the dang thing off right there. Didn't mean to do that. All right, reapply, push down. All right, are we good? I think we're good. Oh, time for the other eye. Am I gonna do it again? Nope, that one just went on fine, of course. Adding just a pink matte lipstick. Right now I'm taking the Mehron Makeup Tornado after I wipe the lipstick off my teeth, and I'm adding it just to the corners of my lips. Just again to give them a little bit of depth, and I'm adding some of my highlight right in the middle of it as well. Again, I'm taking the Tornado and I'm just going underneath my eyes and kind of winging it out a little bit. All right, time for the face jewels. Look at those. Yep, stunner. All right, went ahead and stuck it right to my forehead. Normally you should wipe the makeup off first. Apparently I did not do that. Make sure you line them up well. Normally the first time you put them on, obviously if you peel them off, they will lose their stickiness just a little bit. They do still stick again if you have to move them around, but look at that bling. Now I'm gonna go through and take my pink from the Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ palette, and I'm just gonna draw some random lines going down. I have a small face, so I didn't want the makeup to take up the whole face, so I'm only drawing the lines about halfway down my cheek. Here's the silver mixing liquid. I'm gonna go through and do the same thing I was doing on my chest, which is where I just draw more lines down. I like using the silver a bit more, so I'm gonna pull that down a little bit further. It's awesome how it makes the jewels kind of pop and again look like they're kind of melting down your face. All right, I'm gonna be using the white just to add the little accent dots again like I did on the chest. And it just makes it look like it has a little bit more of like a glitter effect from far away. Obviously up close you'll see the dots, but you can't, sometimes you gotta back up to see the design in its entirety. Again, I'm gonna be using the Gypsy Shrine glitter glue because I need to attach a little bit of glitter right below those. This is the silver biodegradable glitter again from Gypsy Shrine. I've never used a sparklier glitter. All the glitter chunks are kind of like just different sizes and shapes, so they're actually, some of them are kind of 3D-ish. Again, adding glitter to the top using the glitter glue. You want to make sure that you apply the glitter before it actually dries. Some of them get better as you let them sit, they'll get tackier. This stuff does not. Once it dries, it won't hold the glitter anymore, so work in small sections. Now I'm going to put just a couple stars on each side of my face with the Mehron Makeup Liquid Latex. Okay, so thank you again for joining me while I got a chance to use the Gypsy Shrine and Mehron Makeup palette and jewels collaboration. This is a super versatile combo for Halloween. Seriously, one of the best ones that I've seen Mehron and Gypsy Shrine put out together. The companies work well together, and pretty much you can create any awesome sparkly glittery look, including like mermaids and I don't know what else, but other sparkly things.